Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I've been exercising and my shoulders are killing me, but we're gonna do this look today. And if you have not subscribed as yet, go and do that right now, like right now. I'm gonna fast forward. No, I'm not gonna fast forward. I'm gonna just go ahead and do my regular makeup off camera. Stay tuned. So I'm going in with this NYX Milky Jumbo pencil and I'm covering my brows and I'm brushing it with a spoolie so I could better get that shape. And we're gonna cover it with the purple from this Morphe palette. And I'm using my P.Louise as a base for the pink that I'm going to apply on my lid. Then I'm outlining where I want the mouth to be. And as you can see, we have to mix colors to get the blue that we want. So I'm putting on concealer on the bottom of my eyes so I can also put the pink shadow. Blend the pink and the blue together. It should give you like a purple color, and also going in with a light purple to blend it out. I'm using my white liner pencil to make the teeth, and you're just gonna make like some upside down U's, some houses, and I mixed the red and the white together to get the pink, as you should know. And it's okay if you make a mistake, because you could always go in with the other color that you're going to use and black out the mistake. Next, we're going to outline everything with black face paint. And also for the teeth at the bottom, I filled in the top of the teeth like triangle shape so it could be more defined as in bottom teeth. And then you're gonna go in and make some cracks to make it look more cartoony. And I'm also doing some light strokes at the bottom and at the top, and then we're going to shade it in with some black so it wouldn't be so flat. See, that's the thing with having to mix colors. You don't always get the same blue, but mixing the white can get you the that same color. So basically we're just going to fill in the empty spots with the blue paint. Definitely all over the place. I took this ColourPop liquid lipstick and I outlined it. I'm going to black out the nose like a skull with my black face paint. What I'm doing now is that I am outlining my eyebrows and I'm putting some like hair-like strokes inside to give it like a, you know, we're trying to stick to the cartoon kind of look. So everything basically is going to have like a liner. So now we're going to attempt to make a hole on the side of our head. And we're just gonna add some lines all over the face. Every place where you have a crease, and then we're going back in with white to highlight those lines. And as you can see, I'm all over the place, but that's okay. So we're taking a darker blue from the same Morphe palette and we're going to make the cheekbone. And then we're going to go over it with the black paint. And also on top of that, we're going to go over with the white eyeliner. Yes, sis. Look at that cheekbone coming through. And then we're gonna just shade some more underneath the cheekbone. Now I'm taking my yellow NY liner and I'm just putting some dots all over the eye and also all over the face. I also went back in with some black and white. So we're gonna make some tiny holes on the cheeks. So we're gonna do some half C's and then we're gonna shade them in. First I went in with brown, but it was not dark enough, so I went in with black. So it's all depending on the color of your skin. So the black will be the shadows and I'm just doing some waves. So right on the blue, we're gonna put some black and blues so it could look like the skin is lifting and that the blue is under the skin. So it's gonna be like a shadow. Now we're gonna do like some highlights in the waves, so it could more look like the skin is lifting, like the skin is being pushed up. So we're gonna put them in between each line and on top of the first line. So my camera was full and I had to delete. So in that time, I went ahead and did my skeleton neck. I painted the boxes first and then I shaded in with the black. And now I'm going over it with the blue. So I marked out my 2 shoulder blades, and as you can see, I made another open wound. I made some slime with the yellow and it mixed with the blue, so it turned green. And now I'm going to outline it and add some dots. I also put some random lines throughout my body, and I liked how the red was mixing with the blue, so I applied that to the bottom half. Finally finished with this one. This took me a pretty good time because I had to mix colors to get blues and other colors that I wanted. I definitely should have gotten the bigger palette with more colors